Hello, welcome everyone to the course CSE215. My name is Sylvia Ahmed and I'm the lecturer for section 12 and 13 this semester, summer 2020. And today this is the first lecture, so let me first go through the basics administrative things for this course. So let's begin with the tentative mark distribution. For attendance, there are 5%. There will be a couple of homeworks, both theoretical homeworks and programming assignments. That will cover 15%. Then there will be some quizzes, both live online quizzes and also some offline quizzes of 20%. Then there will be one midterm, 25%, and final exam, 35%. The textbook that I will be following is Introduction to Java Programming by Y. Daniel Liang, the 10th edition. However, you can actually refer to other textbooks. The basics are the same for everything. For example, Java, the Complete Reference by Herbert Schild. And if you are more comfortable using a book in Bengali, then I would recommend Java Programming by Anomo Bojlur Rahman. So now let's look at some general guidelines for my course. The recommended reading part and the pre-recorded video lectures like this one should be read and viewed as much as possible before the corresponding live lecture takes place, because in the live class I will try to do some live coding, and also we will have basically some question and answer session based on the pre-recorded video lectures on the live class. Okay, so in order to utilize the class sessions, online class sessions more effectively, you should actually prepare before the class. So attendance in the classes is mandatory, otherwise there is no point in attending any class. Distracting others in class is violating others' rights to be attentive, so your mic and camera need to be turned off during online classes unless instructed by your teacher. And you should also use the chat window responsibly, meaning if you have any question during a lecture, then you can actually write in the chat box, but you should maybe not chat among yourselves for topics other than the class 1. Okay, so there will be no makeup exams for the quizzes. If you miss a quiz, you will get 0 for that quiz, and eventually since I will be dropping 1 or 2 worst quiz marks, so that 0 may be dropped and you are still safe to get the entire marks for the quizzes. So you should also maintain the deadline for the assignments and offline quizzes, and since they will be in Google Classroom, so the timing will be maintained by Google. So there will be a delay, 20% penalty for delay under 24 hours and 50% penalty for delay under 48 hours. Any more delay will result in 100% penalty for that submission. Any submission will be given enough time for you to complete, so you should not miss the deadline. Okay, and you should always try to submit at least 1 day ahead of time, because there can be power outage, internet outage, other technical glitches if you wait for the last moment, and then you will be penalized. Okay, final exam will be comprehensive, meaning the entire syllabus, and any means of unauthorized assistance in preparing materials which you submit as your original work is deemed to be cheating and constitutes grounds for disciplinary action. So you will be given 0 for that entire quiz or midterm or final exam or assignments if you copy from others or you any other people actually do those things on behalf of you. Okay, thank you. So let's move on to our topic for today's class. Thank you.